To access Klarna payment, start by understanding what Klarna is. A payment service that allows you to pay for purchases in installments or at a later date. First, ensure the merchant you are shopping with accepts Klarna as a payment option. Next, select the items you wish to purchase and proceed to the checkout page. When prompted to choose a payment method, select Klarna from the list of available options. You will then be redirected to the Klarna website where you will need to create an account or log into an existing one. To create a Klarna account, you will need to provide some personal and financial information, including your name, address, and social security number. You will also need to add a payment method, such as a credit or debit card, to your account. Once your account is set up, you can proceed with the payment process. Klarna offers several payment options, including Pay Now, Pay Later, and financing. Choose the option that best suits your needs and follow the prompts to complete the payment process. It is essential to review the terms and conditions of your payment plan carefully, including the interest rate and repayment schedule. Make sure you understand how much you will be paying and when the payments are due. To manage your Klarna payments, you can log into your account online or through the Klarna app. From there, you can view your payment schedule, make payments, and track your account activity. It is crucial to make your payments on time to avoid late fees and negative impacts on your credit score. By following these steps, you can access Klarna payment and take advantage of its flexible payment options. Remember to always review the terms and conditions carefully and make your payments on time to get the most out of the service.